Always looking at a screen, that's how I wasted my teens. I could warn you, tell you how it's made me lose my self-esteem. You could agree, but it don't really matter. Lose on the sea, how the thoughts get scattered. Knew you knew me, that did happen. Lose on the sea, but it's asking me trapped in my mind. I've been feeling anxious inside. Everybody laugh and I wanna die. Yeah, everybody's fake, doesn't mean they're evil. Happiness, failures, and touch of people. Running in a race, but it's so damn see-through. Everybody chase, but we don't know the outcome. The more I scroll, the more I get dancing, feeling friendly. What a split, what a split, what does it take to replace me? What a split, what a split, what does it take to replace me? OCD, ADD, label me whatever you want, I don't even care. Wanna make it big, but I still be sad. Even if I were a millionaire, but I still be there. Yeah, life ain't fair, let's finalize the cycle. Walking out tonight, tell me what's real. I ain't trying to be I don't know. I just wanna be myself, keeping it real, yeah, I need some love. Stuck in my mind, I can bleed myself. Got enough of the fight, they're feeling wild. Used to say I was someone to cry in silence. Now myself has been a liar. Lied to myself more than I'd like to admit. Our sins, why can't you just tell me? What has been us break me? What does it take to replace me? What has been us break me? What does it take to replace me? Tell me, what has been